Surprise! I'm doing Vlogmas! Whoa! I bet you're wondering where the hell I've been, and I'm really sorry. I have made a couple of videos about everything that's been going on in my life, and I will post those when I feel ready. I haven't made any videos since last Christmas. I can't even believe that it's been that long. But basically I decided that I wanted to do Vlogmas this year because I really enjoy vlogging, and it's nice to have like the memories. And this is my favourite time of year. I love Christmas. My birthday is in December. There's lots to look forward to. So yeah, I'm doing Vlogmas and it's day one. It's the 1st of December. And basically I recently for work had to learn how to use After Effects, and basically I created an intro which I'm super proud of because it's all self-taught. So without further ado, here is my Vlogmas intro. Okay, so basically I have a little tree. It's really dark, so I need to open up my curtains. Hello morning! Hello morning! Oh my god. It's the 1st of December. Ben stayed over last night. He's just having a shower at the moment. But basically... Sorry, I just changed my settings to auto, so hopefully I don't have to keep like flicking the dial. But yeah, this is my tree. Same as like every year basically. Is this on autofocus? Yeah, it is. Sorry, it's been a while, as you might have guessed. But yeah, this is my tree. It's like really small. I got this, so I don't know if any of you watched my videos from last year, but I did a video with my friend Jade where we did like a gift exchange, and I bought her this seasonal essential oil blend, and I just couldn't not buy it for myself, so I bought it. Sorry guys, couldn't get it to focus. So it's this one, Seasonal Joy by Tisserand, and it's got orange, clove, cinnamon and nutmeg, and it's just amazing. And I have my, it's hard to see, I have my diffuser in the back there. I also have the matching candle to the scent. And yeah, it's just really good and I love it. And I'm going to diffuse that, but I've got some stuff in there, like some lavender and stuff at the moment, so I figure I'll just wait for that. Sorry, I'm hoping to get a new vlogging camera maybe for my birthday. If not, I'm probably going to buy it myself, so yeah, basically hopefully the quality will improve. I also don't have my microphone on right now because look, I'm just with day one, alright? Just give me a break. So, I just realised that I haven't finished decorating. I have this Merry Christmas bunting that I have forgotten to put up, so I better do that. I usually put it up here because this wall is pretty bare apart from this print. But I have an advent calendar and I'm gonna open it because it's day one. So it's this advent calendar that I got from Kmart, and it's basically, oh, it doesn't want to stand up. Okay. So it's just this advent calendar which has a variety of different Christmas scented tea light candles, and I'm so excited about it. So let's open day one. Okay, so this is day one, which has got the tea light holder, I believe, so not very exciting, but still, I don't know what it looks like. Oh! Oh, how do I pull it? Oh, it's actually cute. Oh, is that chipped? I mean, it's cute, but it's chipped. Well, that's okay, because I have got a tea light candle holder there, and I've got like a whole Christmas tree thing there. Okay, so I'm gonna go and have some breakfast now, and then we'll set up the tree soon, which I'm really excited about.
filming, we've got to look at this, Kaylee. Big balls. There's no having thing on it.
Alright, big balls. I'm putting the star on. Your turn to put the star on. Oh, wow.
She was just
Wow. Just warming it up. She dived in there, ready to do it.
When you squish the stuff together, so
I will. Okay, so basically my camera ran out of battery and my SD card ran out of memory, so you did just watch us put up the tree, which was really fun. I'm sorry I haven't really vlogged much today. We didn't really do too much, to be honest. Like, after I woke up, we didn't realize my sister wasn't going to be here until the afternoon to put up the tree, so we just did a grocery shop. And I'm really sorry if that fountain is really annoying. I'm just sitting out here in the sun. Since it's the 1st of December, it is the first day of summer, and it's 30 degrees today, which is stinking hot, and I love it because I just came back from Fiji, and like I just feel like I'm back there if I close my eyes. I'm just having this smooze or schmooze or whatever you want to call it, a coconut pineapple fruit icy pole. It's vegan, gluten-free, and they really yum. I'm just sitting by the pool. I'm gonna read my book. I was reading this book, reading this book, Holding Up the Universe by Jennifer Niven. She's the author of All the Bright Places, both of which are really, really great books. I have loved both of those. I'm just about to finish that one. So yeah, I would highly recommend both of them. They're amazing. And basically now I'm just gonna sit here in the sun for a bit, and then we're gonna have dinner. I think we're gonna make some homemade pizzas, and then I might watch a Christmas movie, and then basically this place around the corner is having like a Christmas carnival, and they're having a fireworks display, so I'm gonna go to the fireworks and I'm gonna take you guys with me, and hopefully I won't be doing it on my phone. I will charge my camera battery between now and then, and yeah, I'm gonna eat this before it melts, so I'll speak to you later. You can't come through there. You can't come through the fence. You're so cute. What's that? Just filling up Buddy's pool. Hey Buddy. Just hunting flies. Buddy. Buddy. Bud. Buddy. Come here. Hello. Oh, he's a good boy. He's so hot. You gonna get in your pool? Hey? You gonna get in your pool? He's so funny. You got him a little shell pool. Is that nice, bud? Oh, straight in there. Guys, he does this all the time. I don't even understand why. It's like he thinks we're drowning or something, or we're playing. I'm not sure, but it's so funny. Okay, so I bought this vegan halloumi from the shops the other day and I'm so excited about it. So basically I've cut it up. It looks like this. Actually, I'll show you the container. So this is the brand if anyone's curious and wants to try it. It's so good. It gets crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. It's delicious. So I'm gonna cook it up now. And I'll show you the finished product when it's done. So we're just making some pizzas for dinner tonight. We're doing them on the barbecue. So we've got like a wood fire, not a wood fire, like a stone, a pizza stone and stuff in there. So we're just making pizzas. Sorry I didn't show me eating the halloumi because it was just too good and I couldn't resist. And I'm sorry, I'm still filming on my phone. My camera battery is charging and hopefully this isn't too noisy and stuff, but basically we are gonna have our pizzas. I finished my book and so I'm gonna start a new one, which is the A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. Like, never read that before and I got it from the op shop for like $2, so I'm really excited and I'm being really weird on camera, but it's been a really long time, so I really apologize. So we're gonna have pizzas and then we're gonna go and see the fireworks. Hi buddy, hi Dewey. We're going to see the fireworks.
Mine looks good.
That's yours. Mine, the cheese is all still in squares. And the giant spatula.
Let me use the spatula, I need to check.
Ooh, looks good.
I don't think there's any burning going on. Oops, it's bright easy.
That's what you get with the... Mine might need to go in like a grill or something to heat the top. I love this tree, it's so festive.
So skinny.
That's what I got it for, it's a slender tree. It sits good in corners like that. Love it. Love it. I need to put the lights in this and in this. Let's go and have a look at this tree in here. Oh, the lights are off it now.
I've got the timer.
We have a timer set. What, for 8 o'clock?
7:30.
7:30.
It's 25 past 7, but you just flick the switch on
Flip
the
the
side.
switch. Not there. The switch
it
is.
is.
Oh! Oh! Pretty.
Well, you got timer for that one too.
And this. And we have more nutcracker and snow globe. Ooh, it started playing music. Hey guys, sorry, I didn't want to not end the video properly. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed the little fireworks display. And I hope you're excited to see more of these Vlogmas vlogs. I'm just getting into bed now. I finished my book today, so I'm now going to start reading A Christmas Carol, which I'm excited, a festive book, and I'm going to put on my Christmas hand cream, which is like a mint macaroon scent flavor, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to bed because I'm super tired. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you tomorrow.